Welcome to EDC Ideas. Today's topic, my favorite knives for the 7vs.wild bottle. We will start with some explanations for the international audience. 7vs.wild is a German survival YouTube series. In the third season, 7 two-person teams have to survive for 14 days in Canada or Alaska. The teams can choose their own clothing, they get a sleeping bag, they will get a first aid kit and a bear defense kit. Furthermore, they have the camera equipment and a headlamp. Currently, the planning is underway and we do not know all details. The teams can pack their own survival kit, and this survival kit have to fit in this 1 liter Nalgene bottle. In this video I will present you some excellent cutting options that fit in this bottle. Let's start with the Linder Super Edge 1. The Linder Super Edge 1 is made in Solingen and it's one of my most used outdoor and survival knives. It's designed as a hunting knife with an excellent quality, a great steel and a very grippy rubberized handle. This little fixed blade would be an excellent choice. It fits perfectly in the bottle. It's hard to put the sheath in the bottle too, but it's possible. The Linder Super Edge 1 is one of the best outdoor and survival knives of all time. The design is excellent, it's a very durable and functional knife in the bush, and I prefer this model over the models from Fellneven with a similar design. Maybe some people don't trust me that the Linder fits in here, but this is the Linder in the closed bottle. When it comes to this knife, there are only 2 problems. The first one is when you put this knife and the sheath into the bottle, you don't have much space left. The second problem is this pouch. The design of this pouch is okay, but there are some quality problems. You see this cut here? I like to carry my knives razor sharp and I cut through this pouch from the inside. That would be a safety issue in the wood. Another great option for the bottle would be the Boker Optima. The Boker Optima is a heavy-duty folding knife made in Solingen by Boker, and it's a classic backlock design and it's designed as a hunting and outdoor knife. The big advantage of this knife is that you can replace the blade and include, for example, a saw. With this knife you can combine a saw and knife combination without wasting much room. You can also carry different blades so that you have a working blade and, for example, a blade for processing small game. Let's come to a more modern folding knife and a more tactical folding knife too. This is the Extrema Ratio BF1. This is the all black version and it's one of my most used knives during the last months. The locking mechanism is a liner lock. I trust this knife 100% even when it comes to hard work in the forest. This little pocket knife is excellent for outdoor bushcraft and EDC tasks. The scales are very durable and extremely grippy. The Extrema Ratio pocket clips are hard to beat and maybe they are the best on the market, because you have to carry this knife in the outdoor world. The next cutting option is the Victorinox EvoGrip S18. I have some problems with this knife and I showed these problems in a video some weeks ago. But all in all, this model is very small, it's lightweight and it comes with an excellent blade. It's a locking blade with a locking mechanism, an excellent saw from Victorinox, scissors and a nail file and a nail cleaner. That would be very important when it comes to nail care during the 2 weeks. This model includes an awl, a toothpick and this little tweezers. This little Victorinox tool would be excellent for the 7vs.wild bottle, but maybe it's a great second option, not the first option. The Victorinox Outrider is an excellent outdoor tool. It's one of my most used outdoor tools during the last years because of the excellent locking blade, the saw, the scissors and the awl. And you can also carry the Victorinox fire steel for the corkscrew. This knife is a full-sized outdoor tool and it includes tweezers and the toothpick. An excellent and high quality option would be this Victorinox Swisstool Spirit. This Victorinox Swisstool Spirit would be an excellent choice because the tool set is excellent and near perfection for the woods. This high quality multi-tool includes an excellent saw, a file, an awl and a chisel grind woodworking tool. On the other side you find excellent scissors, not needed screwdrivers and a knife with a one-hand operating mechanism. All tools are locking tools and I would carry this multi-tool with the Victorinox pocket clip. In my experience, an excellent pair of pliers is a huge advantage for outdoor and survival adventures when it comes to fishing, opening knots and a lot of other things. In my opinion, it's a kind of luxury, but I would take this Victorinox Swiss tool with me. Let's come to the conclusion. What would fit inside this bottle? The excellent fixed blade from Linder would fit in perfectly, but it's very hard to get the pouch in it too. The Boker Optima is an excellent version where you can change the blades and carry blades without wasting space. In my opinion, one of the best pocket knives on the market is the Extrema Ratio with an excellent pocket clip, very grippy scales and a cool liner lock. Maybe a backup set for outdoor and bushcraft working tasks would be this excellent Victorinox EvoGrip S18. If you looking for a full-sized multi-tool for outdoor, the Victorinox Outrider is excellent. In my opinion, the best functionality and the best toolset comes with this Victorinox Swisstool Spirit. Please comment in the comment section below what's your favorite tool for this survival adventure. In my opinion, there are a lot of great products on the market, but let me know what's your favorite.